Start.
My name is Bakri Rao, studying in Batikan Model High School, class 9. And today I'm here at BCIFF, Bulbul Children's International Film Festival, Goa, which is an amazing event which has helped students in and around Goa to showcase their talent. It is a fun event organized over here where there are many functions, there are movies shown, competitions are held and many food that you can enjoy here, so do come. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Himanshu Inde from Batikan Model High School, class 9. We are very lucky to be invited in the BCCIF 2025 event, as it is an enthusiastic event for small children as well as a teenager. We were very thankful for the organizers which organized this type of events for us, like every year. Last year we came and this year again we are over here. We are very thankful for that.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Aishwarya Rai and we have came to this BCIFF Bulbul Children's International Film Festival, and like I really like the Bulbul Festival, like this film festival. It was very nice and like movies were very nice for children and like very motivating, giving knowledge and lessons, values. Like, thank you Bulbul for giving us this opportunity to watch this movie and inviting us. Thank you.
My name is Levin Mendoza and I'm from Infant Jesus High School. The festival was very good. We watched movies which were amazing and it was very nice.
What you have learned from this festival?
We have learned many things like morals, values from the movies, and the movies were very good.
Okay, hello everyone, this is Tejasva Naik and I was the anchor here at the Bulbul Children's International Film Festival, the second edition of the same. The first one had taken last year and it was a right step taken by the Department of Information and Publicity, and this was the second edition of the same, and we had around 90 plus films from 32 different countries being screened here at this festival, and it was a great experience to be the MC here at the festival, covering the screenings and other activities as well. So besides the screening, we had many other activities and lot many kids buzzing around the corner of every activity that took place. Like we had mandala art, we had quilling art, we had nail art, we had a pottery workshop which was newly introduced this year as well, and films across different sections. The kids just buzzed on with excitement with every bit of the moment as well. Thank you once again, and we wish to have the same excitement next year as well. Thank you.